Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a new releases video and I have two collections to show you. These belong to one collection and these are new to the shop. They are new products and I will talk about it all today in this video. So if you'd like to see what we have in the shop right now for summer, our first summer kits coming at you, please make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Let's get started with the Hobonichi Weeks regular kits. And by the way, these kits were made for this planner. This is the Hobonichi Weeks and this is what it looks like. And this one that I have here is the Strawberry Latte Mega. I do make Plan With Me's using this planner, so make sure to check that out in my Hobonichi Weeks playlist. So let's go ahead and take a look at these kits. These belong to a single collection and that collection is called Summer Nights. Okay, so that we don't get distracted, I'm gonna just show you one by one. And this is the first one. This is called Jungle Vibes. And for all our kits, we do have two pages. This is the second page with your bottom bars, right and left. You have headers at the bottom, and at the side, you have your script stickers. I have had requests to make these into a single sheet that you can purchase separately. I'm gonna check that out, but right now, we are not gonna do that, not in this release at least, because it takes forever to make these. If it's in a single sheet and it's just all script stickers, because the script stickers that we do use or the scripts are very intricate, so that's one of the reasons why. I'm also looking for feedback in our reformat. I've had a few already and I am going to make changes in the next release, so there's a few more changes that's going to come to the shop. Anyhow, this is Jungle Vibes and it has three options. This is option C and you have your girl, so this is very green. You have your girl with the flowers in her hair. You have flowers behind her as well. The flowers behind her are all summer flowers. And this is an oops kit. That's why you have your blotches there. So this is for my own personal use. Now, I'm sorry about that, but these are the decos that you have. So the first page has your date covers, your decorative strip, your checklist that's cut over here into two pieces. And then your deco, so you have your flowers, the coconuts, and the pineapples. Next, we have a very colorful kit called Paloma. Paloma has this bird, and it says, "Let adventure begin." Anyhow, these are the decos that you have. You have your planters, charms that are seashell shaped. And then this little spa there, spa accessories, I guess. And I really love how the green here is so bright, vibrant, you know, just like summer nights, everything. Well, I feel like in the summer, all the colors become very vibrant. Next, we have Tropical. Tropical is leaning on the pink side, but it is also very vibrant as well. And this is the second page. So this is the scene that you have. It is very detailed. You have a lot of things going on. The purpose of the scene is that it's like when you just got to your hotel and you're unpacking, and this is the scene that you are greeted with. So that is Tropical, and this is your deco page with your first page, etc. You have your planner, your pillow, a flower on a vase, and then you have your pens, because when I am traveling, I bring a portion of my planner goodies. Are you the same? Comment down below. Next, we have Summer Together. Now, this is a very special kit. It is one of my favorites. And this has the second page that says summer is better spent together. It also has a few options. There's three options with the skin tones changing. So the vibes of this is like when you're standing by the beach at sunset and you have the waves coming in and you have your feet in there, and that is super pretty. This kit makes me wish that I am on vacation right now. It is super hot here still. That is why. And then we have the decos. You have the ukulele, this little setup there. You have a keychain that's very tropical, very summer themed. And then you have a vase with a few flowers in it. Super pretty. And then we have Corazon. And Corazon is Also available in 3 options. This is option B, and it is just a wash of like abstract, painted, or watercolor flowers and summer foliage, I guess. Don't you just love this? And then this is a very different kit because instead of having the dots, you actually have bigger decos, and these squares will actually fit into one of these sections, like the daily sections. And I wanted to see how that will work, so that's why we have a different deco section here. And once again, this is Corazon. And then last two, one of my favorites as well. So this is, oh no, not last two. This is the last one, and this is Escapade, also available in different options. Oh, I'm sorry. So this has only 2 options with the skin tone changing, and it is of a girl at the beach with a giant hat, and then peeking through you have her drink here, and then that's her beach bag. And these are the decos that you get. You get a chair, a sunglasses, a palm leaf, a bag, a summer bag, and a summer phone case. So these are, or those are all the kits that we have for our regular release. Now let's go through the essentials. So the essentials exist as 1-page kits. They don't have any decos, and I guess this is for super functional planning. If you only want minimal stickers on your planner, then this is the kit that I recommend from the shop. So let's go through it. Let's start with Paloma. So it will have the same background as the regular kits, as well as the same colors. Now for these, the major difference is that for the bottom bar, the right bottom bar is the same size as the left one. So this is Paloma, Summer Together, the bottom of Summer Together. So the bottom bars are of the beach, no, not beach, but like sea. So that gradiates down pretty well. You have Corazon with a peach, beautiful greens, peach and green. You gotta love it. We have Escapade. Escapade is of the sky. If you're sitting on the beach and you're looking up and there's the sky, that's the vibes of that. And then Tropical, also another beautiful bright colored kit. And last one, we have Jungle Vibes, super green, super jungle feeling. And those are the Hobonichi Weeks kits, as well as Hobonichi Weeks essentials that we have at the shop. Next, we're going to go through the newest products that we have. I only did a few because I was testing it. And these are your full page stickers. Yes! So I've had a lot of requests saying that, hey, why don't you make stickers for the back of the planner? Because the back of a Hobonichi Weeks oopsies are all oopsies too. In Japanese, well, it's been suggested that I make the full page stickers to cover up all of these. So it will go over there or over the page like this. Now, I'm gonna have to explain a little bit about this. By the way, this is gonna be new printables. So currently we're not going to make it at the shop. Instead, we are going to make it as printable, so you can print it as much as you can or as few as you can, because once you put it down, you only have a few pages here. You won't be able to, choose another sticker. So that's why I don't want anyone to be forced to commit to a single sticker. The next thing that I want to talk about is the sizing of this kit. Now, this kit, or no, sizing of this printable. By the way, this is from our freebie on Black Friday. So as you can see there, it doesn't go all the way in. It leaves a little space. I did that on purpose because I do not want the sticker to go all the way down the spine. Because as you can see here, so my Hobonichi is already really chunky. It will not close anymore. So you can see the pages that I have used. And the thing that I have with this is that it will put pressure on the spine. Come on. It will put pressure on the spine. So I want to avoid stickers that will put more pressure on the spine, unnecessarily. So that's why it's a little bit short on the side. That's the reason why. So this is also available. This is sprinkled donuts. So what happens is that we have two versions of the full page sticker, and you will get two in one purchase. So you will be given a zip file. In that zip file, you have your Cameo file, so that the Cameo, or if you have a cutting machine, it can cut it for you, or you can print the PDF that is with that zip file, and you can just cut it yourself. So those are the two options. So you can also put it there. So this is the one of the sprinkled donuts, and then this is the cute mermaid. I love it so much. She is the cutest thing. And then we also have, this is Galaxy, Pastel Galaxy. So you can put it like this, or you can put it like this. So you can decide how you want to use it. And then the last one that we have is the, I think this is Happy Clouds. Yes. So the other side of this, you'd have these faces switch. So you can decide which sticker you would like to get. And those are our new releases. So these will be up at the shop right now. So go ahead and grab them. And then we will have a special discount code for the new releases that I will write down here. And you can go ahead and use that so that you can get these new releases at a discount. And that is all that we have for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planner videos, please subscribe to my channel and also follow us on our social media. Our IG and FB is paperjoyph, and our Facebook group is paperjoyph Planning World. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.